Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do task number 1 on the Mad World Publishing. So task number 1, it states, from the existing text in cell B3, insert a hyperlink to this website with a screen tip that displays company website. So how you would do that task is, there's actually two ways, but I'm going to show you the easier way. So first you have to navigate to B3. From there, you can just right click it, go on to link. From link, you type in the website. From the text to display, that's where the screen tip is. So you just click on the screen tip and then you type the company. Make sure the spelling is correct. Company website. You click OK and then you click OK. And there, that's how you complete task 1. The second way to do it is same thing. You go and navigate to B3, which you're already there. Then you go on to the insert. You go on in the links on your ribbon. You go to click on link, insert link. You type in the address as well and the screen tip, which is the company website. So there is actually two ways to go on there to insert the link. I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next project.